Conga, an AI-powered autonomous robotic lawnmower. Get started with a click of a button. Forget annoying perimeter wires or inaccurate manual map setup. Conga autonomously detects the lawn area, recognizing and memorizing your lawn's boundaries and shapes, even multi-zones and no-go zone. Mapping success, Conga ensures that every inch of your lawn is lush and lively all year round. Conga cut fiercely. The concrete comb structures, adjustable cutting plate, and powerful motor enable the adjustable cutting height up to 85 millimeters. With its vision fusion localization, Conga knows exactly where to go as it cuts the entire lawn in a series of clean and precise parallel rows. Using smart technology, Conga works intelligently to eliminate repetitive work. Conga protects your kids and pets with Family Protection Mode. The HDR camera, bump sensor, and blade emergency halt system provide 3-level security. AI cameras with advanced sensors allow it to detect obstacles in less than 0.1 second. If foreign objects are detected, Conga will change the direction and avoid them in advance. When the battery is low, it will go back and recharge automatically. When Conga is fully recharged, it will resume exactly where it left off. Conga, an AI-powered autonomous robotic lawnmower. Conga will return to the charging pile on rainy days or after the mowing sessions are finished.